bro, look at this. Like, look at this. The house is breaking, dude. That was so scary. I literally ran. I'm all home alone. I literally ran under this door because I was so scared. Everything was just cracking and it was so loud. Damn, dude.
Alright, so we just halted our shoot here in GMA. Everyone's outside. So other people are coming down from the buildings. Buti galing lang kami dun. 5.9.
Guys, hope you are all okay. Nandito kami ngayon sa Vertis North. Sa gitna yan lahat ng mga tao. Pinalabas kami ng security nila dito. Tapos pinapunta sa open air. So talagang narinig namin yung tunog mula sa ilalim ng lupa bago lumindol at safe naman kami. So, ingat guys.
Oh my God. Going down from 8th floor here somewhere in Makati after the earthquake. Ayun na. Kailangan evacuate the building. Buti na lang, safe na yung shoes ko. At hindi ako nag-heels. Oh my God, nahihilo na ako. Mas nahihilo talaga ako sa pagbaba. Oh my God. Where do we go? Where's the car?
This is in the restaurant.
Bye.
Aiden, may earthquake, no? Lakas. Oh, buti safe na tayo, no? Nakababa na tayo, no?
Alright, we have a slight issue here. So hindi kami makapag-take kasi lahat na lang artista nandito sa truck. Pwede ba mag-take kami? Ano ba?
Oh my God!
Did you guys feel the earthquake? Parang sila lang yata yung masaya na nalindol. Hope everyone's okay. Take it easy.
Medyo malakas yung lindol ah. Grabe yung lindol. Kakakailo guys. Medyo malakas yung lindol ah. Para tayong nakasakay sa bus ah. Para tayong nasa MRT. Boy! Boy, walang gagalaw boy. Malakas!
So, lumilindol ngayon. Habang magkasama kami ni EJ
Sa Starbucks, ABS.
Pinag-uusapan namin yung Sandugo, lumilindol ngayon. Ito yung mga tao na
Papanik na sila.
ingat kayo dyan ha. Mukhang tumigil na eh.
Ingat.
It's moving fast, slightly. It must be pretty strong for us to feel it.
Yeah.
On the ground floor.
Look at the bike. Look at the bike.
Dude!
It's still moving. Wow, we're still moving.
Yeah, of course it did. This is how it collapsed.
Not this building. Yo, earthquake, make mayhem. Yo, see you at Cinco de Mayhem earthquake.
Nakabahan ako.
Sabi, guys, lumindol. Ay, nag-elevator kami. Pero lahat ng tao na sa labas. Oh my gosh. OMG. Woo! Katakot.